The following video is a Kent, USA CNC vertical milling machine. It's new 2008. This unit has an updated ACU-RITE G2 CNC control. Steve is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
So basically what I did is, the machine first of all is 233 phase, and that's for the inverter driven head, very nice. And the control of course is 110 volt, 20 amp capacity on the plug. What I did was programmed a circle, interpolated a circle with 4 bolt holes. I'm just going to run the graphics real quick. So there's the graphics showing you the part. And once you're happy with that, of course, you can stop that at any time and then go back into the run part of this. So in this case, it's going to make 2 circles. It's going to make a 250 thousandths cut and another 250 thousandths cut. Drop it, and there's the second one. Then it's going to go counterclockwise and do the finish portion of the circle. By doing like this, you get all 3 axes involved, and you can really tell what's going on with the machine. There's the counterclockwise rotation for the cleanup pass. And when that's complete, then it's going to go into a 4-bolt pattern. Drill, drill, drill with the peck cycle, 4 bolts, and that'll complete our cycle. I'm going to go to run option. I'm just going to hit dry run, not graphics. Then hit the go button. I would of course turn the spindle on at this point. Currently we're going 200 RPM. Just low range. Really nice. Back to high range. Alright, so we're going to hit the go button. Obviously I've got it going quite quick so we can see the circulation part of it. We don't have to stand here all day watching it. So it's doing the first 250 cut on a 2-inch circle. You can follow the tool path as it's working. Obviously that would be quite quick. The machine under those circumstances, but we can adjust that of course. I programmed that, I believe, 20 inches per minute on this part of it, and it tells us where we're at up here in the top. We're at 40 inches a minute, which is 50% where we're going here. Gives us an estimated time of part 2 minutes and 8 seconds, so you can do your calculation on your costing. That's the second 250 drop. finishes this, it will of course return to center and it'll drop down to do its next pass. And of course this is called the circle pocket. That's what we're doing at this point in time. We've not yet got the bolt pattern and everything next. There it went up, it's going back to center. Now it's going down to the finished pass, so you can see it's going counterclockwise now, which is the finished pass. I'm taking, let's say, 50 thousandths just to get a better finish. Before I was taking much more. You clean up the pocket, you can kind of rough it and kind of clean it up and all in the same cycle. And of course, this is all done right at the machine through these buttons up here. Holes, circles, rectangles, lines, arcs, what have you. All that is there, and you can generate the program right here. So the operator, you don't need a CAD/CAM system, you can be right here generating your program. It just kicked out, now it's doing the last 50 thousandths around the outside diameter. Completed that, flow goes up, it's going to go back to the center, and it's going to now pick up the bolt circle pattern. It went right to the rear bolt. First, that's the first one. Drill, peck, drill, peck, drill, peck. Done. It's going to move to the next. Same thing, drill, peck, drill, peck. Actually, it's dwelling. It's really not pecking. I could peck if I wanted to, but I'm just dwelling. Clear the chip. Last hole. And there you go. All done. Stop my spindle, reload my part, do it all again. Machine is equipped with auto lube. When the spindle is running, the lube motor is running also. Nice machine. Very, very, very heavy. As you can hear, the head is super quiet. Looking good.